Thanks for watching the series of ACT M1 level 1. Okay, today inshallah we're going to start talking about triangles. Okay, and let's have question 1. Let's start. Now, in this question, the question asking me to find x and y. Here, x and y in this triangle. This I want from you just to remember, think, okay, always, that how I can find, this is a triangle, like this is a point A, B, C, whatever it is, but the question is telling me to find x and y, okay? Now, how can I find x and y? First of all, I need to put in my mind one small thing. In this case here, we have, this is called straight angle, which is what is equal to 180. This is a straight angle, is equal to 180. So easily I can find y, which is what? Y can be 60 plus y is equal to 180 degree. In this case, means that y is equal to 120. Straightforward, that's it. This is for the case of y. Now, there are many ways to find x, but let's make it short, okay? Y plus 60 is equal to 180. In the same time also, 60 plus both 2x and 4x is equal also to 180, which means that y is equal to the sum of what? 2x plus 4x. It means that I can say 2x plus 4x is equal to y. In this case, 6x is equal to y, which is 120. Then x is equal to how much? 20. So, what's the value of x? It's 20. If I want to find the measure of the angle, for this one is going to be 2 times 20, which is equal to 40. And for this one, 4 times 20, which is equal to 80. So 40 and 80, 120, and plus 60, the total sum of the triangle's angles, okay, is equal to what? 180. Thank you. See you in the next question. Question 2. Now, question is, if one side of triangle ABC is 5, what is the smallest integer that could be the perimeter of the triangle? See, such questions are really easy, okay, but at the same time they are tricky. Okay, so starting with the idea of perimeter, then I need to just put in my mind, this is a triangle, okay, and I know that if it's x, y, and z, I should know that x plus y is greater than z. X plus z is greater than y. This is in the triangle. So if I'm asking about perimeter, okay, in this case, so the triangle, okay, ABC has a side 5. Okay, just let's draw a triangle here, as you can see. Any triangle, let's say this is 5. And I can say this is x and this is y. Okay, so now 5x and y. So what is the smallest integer? And you should know what is an integer. It's a whole number, okay? So 5 and x and y. And the smallest, okay, integer that could be the perimeter. So, okay. I know, mister, that x plus y, okay, that x plus y is equal to how much? So, it should be greater than how much? 5, right? X plus y greater than 5. So, what's the smallest integer after 5? Think. It's 6, right? So x plus y, let's say, is equal to 6. Okay? So in this case, if it's equal to 6, okay, we can say that, so both of them equal to 6. And this is 5. So what's the perimeter? Means x plus y plus 5. And x plus y is equal to 6. So in this case, what? 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. So the smallest integer that could be, okay, the perimeter is 11. Okay? Let's see the next question. Yeah. Okay, and question 3 here. We have a rectangle QPSR, okay, and it contains a small triangle here, RPT. Okay, the question is telling me I want to find the area of triangle RPT. So this one, if you can see, this triangle. Okay, mister, how to find this triangle? First of all, there are 3 rules. Just put it in your mind. The first rule for triangle, half times base times height. Okay, hope you can see that on the screen. It's half times base times height. Okay, the second triangle rule is half times side 1 times side 2 times the sine angle between them. And the third rule for equilateral triangles, it's radical 3 over 4 multiplied by side square. Just put those things in your mind in the triangle study. Okay, so in this case I need to know what's the area of this triangle. I have the base, which is RT, so this is my base, okay, and I have the height, which is PS. Okay, in the same, just put in your mind that PS is equal to, of course, 3. So this part is equal to 3. Now how can I get RT? First step, I need to use Pythagorean theorem, which is radical 5 squared minus 3 squared, minus because this is the hypotenuse. So 5 squared minus 3 squared, which is this is equal to how much? This is equal to 4, right? And this is totally 7, so what's the remaining part is equal to 3. So the triangle area, in this case, it's half times 3 times 3, which is equal to 4.5. This is the end of question 3. Now in the same video, we're going to see the same question, but I'm going to ask about the perimeter of RPT. So let's watch it again, okay? Waiting for question 4, the same question. Okay, for question 4 now, the same question, same drawing. I want to find the perimeter of the triangle RPT. Now, in the previous question, we already proved that this is equal to 3 and this is equal to 5, right? So, for this part, I want to find the perimeter, which is this side plus this side plus this side. So, in this case, if I want to find the side which is RP, I need to use Pythagorean theorem for what? 3 squared plus 7 squared. So for the RP is equal radical 3 squared plus 7 squared, which means 3 squared 9, 9 plus 49, which is 58, right? Radical 58. So in this case, the perimeter is going to be 5 plus 3 plus radical 58. So that is equal to 5 plus 3 plus radical 58. And this case is equal 8 plus radical 58. Okay, hope this is clear. This is the perimeter of the triangle RPT. Okay, last question, meet you in question 5. Now for this question, okay, it came in the M1 exam, maybe recent sessions, I'm not sure. Okay, so a student is constructing, okay, a triangle for a geometry assignment. So the teacher has specified, okay, the requirements for this triangle. What are the requirements? The perimeter of the triangle should equal to 30. 1. The length of all sides is a whole number. And the shortest side of the triangle is equal to 7. Okay, shortest side is equal to 7. The shortest side. Okay. How many different lengths, okay, are possible for the longest side of the triangle? So which means how many, like the measure of the longest side. I need to make the calculation, which is what? First of all, Mr. I know that x plus y, okay, plus 7. Okay, x plus y plus 7 is equal to 30. That's the perimeter, right? In the same time, I know that it's x plus y should be greater than 7. We already discussed this before. So x plus y plus 7 is equal to 30 and x plus y is greater than 7. Okay, in the same time also, one of the triangle's characteristics, okay, which is x minus y should be less than 7 in the triangle chapter. So those are one of the critical points I need to take care of while solving a triangle question. Now, see, x plus y plus 7 is equal to 30, which means that x plus y is equal to 13 minus 7, algebra. Okay, which means x plus y is equal to 23. Okay, and then what? X plus y is equal to 23. Right, and x plus y greater than 7. And x plus y, x minus y is less than 7. What kind of puzzle is this? Right, now, let's do some try. Now something I need to add to like x plus y greater than 7, which means that, okay, and the 7 is the shortest side, which means x and y should be greater than 7, but their sum should be equal to 23. It did say if x is equal to 8, then y is equal to 15. That's choice 1. If x is equal to 9, then y is equal to 14. And if x is equal to 10, then y is equal to 13. Okay, and if x is equal to 11, y is equal to 12. Then if x, stop. You cannot change class. It's fine. What is it? X is equal to 11, y equal to 12. If I'm going to say now, if x equal to 12, y 11, I'm going to go back. No, class. Fair enough. Check this with me. X equal to 8 and y equal to 15. Okay, let's try here. X 8 plus 15. Is it greater than 7? No. So this choice is not accepted. No. Let's go for just this choice. X equal to 9 and y equal to 14. So x equal to 9, okay. 9 plus 14, okay. I mean in the previous choice, okay, which x is equal to 8 and y equal to 15, of course they are greater than 7. Now my point why I refuse the choice, sorry I didn't mention that. If I say that x minus y, okay, or y minus x, as you can say, at the end I want to do the subtraction, okay. So let's say 15 minus 8, okay, let's say just to make it easy for you, y minus x, no problem, because the y, I chose y the higher side, okay. So let's say 15 minus 8, it is 7, but 7 is not less than 7. That's why I refuse the choice. By the way, this is one of the characteristics in the triangles, and you need to know the subtraction of sides, regardless the priority of which one is first, which one is second. Okay, so the subtraction is less than 7. So in this case, yeah, I would say 9 plus 14, of course, greater than 7, but 14 minus 9, which is what? 5. Yes, it is less than 7. So this choice is accepted. And 10 plus 13, of course, greater than 7, but 13 minus 10 equal 3. Yes, this choice is accepted. And here, x is equal to 11. Okay. And the sum, of course, is greater than 7, but their subtraction also less than 7, and also this choice is accepted. How many choices I can choose now? 1, 2, and 3, and so my choice is going to be A. Okay, thank you very much. Read carefully about the rules of triangles, polygons in geometry. It's going to help you a lot. Thank you for watching. See you in the next chapter. Bye bye.